Dear child, I approach you today with a message filled with optimism and transformation. Listen attentively as alterations are on the horizon for your life. I am clearing the path for opportunities to discover your heart, and unexpected blessings will grace your journey. Let me assure you, God is steadfast and He fulfills His promises just as the sun rises each morning. Transformation will suddenly and powerfully manifest in your life. Allow me to reiterate, suddenly your life will shift as you navigate the best path I am working behind the scenes to guide you to the right individuals, enhancing your well-being and alleviating all financial concerns. Trust in me, for I am orchestrating changes in your favor. Although your heart may be restless now, know that I am with you every step of the way. Trust in me, as I am your guardian and guide. Do not dread the uncertainties of the future, for I am composing a tale of victory in your life. Remember, dear one, that I am the deity who never falters. My love for you is boundless, and my mercy is renewed every morning. Believe that extraordinary things are reserved for you. Repeat after me. I am blessed and I am a victor. Let this message penetrate your heart and nurture your faith. Believe in the change, for it has already commenced. I am with you on every journey, preparing a magnificent future. Maintain your hope in me, and you will witness marvels unfold. Now, go in tranquility, understanding that I am your God, and I stand by your side. Have faith in me and the promises I extend to you, my child. I bestow upon you joy, health, prosperity, and love. Trust in me, for remarkable things are on the horizon for you. Comment if you believe.